Hey everyone, it's that time of year again. Holiday vibes, cozy drinks, and the highly anticipated Starbucks 2025 tradition. So what we got here is the Starbucks 2025 planner. So let's unbox it together and go over how you can get yours. It's super easy. Collect stickers every time you purchase a handcrafted beverage from participating Starbucks stores. Step 1. Get one Starbucks holiday sticker card. Earn one sticker per handcrafted beverage purchase and collect 17 stickers to redeem. So here it is. Let's unbox it, and there you go. It comes with a planner pouch, as I would say, and its color is navy blue. So, ugh. And there's the Starbucks name right here. And this one has a small pocket. That's nice. And here's the 2025 Starbucks planner. It's well protected. That's nice. And look at that premium design. Very nice. And it comes with a pen. Cool. There you go, guys. So that's the 2025 Starbucks planner. So it's not just a planner, it's your perfect companion for the year ahead. So happy collecting and see you at Starbucks. Thanks everyone. Have a good night. Bye bye.